Welcome to Residence 196 Pacific Parade in Balinga, where coastal luxury meets architectural brilliance. This expansive residence spans over 1,100 square meters of meticulously crafted design, offering unparalleled functionality and prestige beachfront living. Nestled in a private northeast corner position, this architectural marvel sets a new standard for beachfront living. From the moment you arrive, you'll be captivated by the thoughtful contemporary design that seamlessly integrates with the magnificent coastal landscape. With 4 floors of living space, this home effortlessly adapts to your lifestyle, offering spacious entertaining areas and secluded retreats. Lavish guest quarters ensure that every visitor feels welcome, while leading smart technology and security systems provide peace of mind and convenience. Step inside and experience the meticulous attention to detail. With superior materials such as parquetry, travertine, and New Guinea Rosewood conveying character and confidence rarely found in today's market. The ground floor boasts beachside guest suites, a gym, a multi-vehicle garage, while the first floor offers a primary suite with opulent amenities and private balconies. On the second floor, immerse yourself in the heart of the home, with a tranquil living area, gourmet kitchen, and dedicated media lounge. The third floor houses the home's pinnacle of performance and efficiency, with enclosed services ensuring adaptability, comfort, and convenience. Finally, the fourth floor is the epitome of indulgent luxury, featuring a full commercial bar, custom-made billiard table, infinity pool, spa, sauna, and breathtaking ocean vistas. Whether you're entertaining guests or enjoying quiet relaxation, this floor offers the perfect setting to appreciate coastal living at its finest. Residence 196 is more than just a home. It's a masterpiece of design, functionality, and luxury. Experience the ultimate in beachfront living and make this extraordinary property your own.